Okay, so we're going to talk about the first then. A first then is a strategy used to teach expectations within an activity. We can designate a short amount of time, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or we may designate up to 30 minutes for our expectations for an activity. So on the left side, you're noticing first, and then on the right side, you're noticing then. With CVES, our first thens are core adapted. So we're going to help teach the meaning of our fringe vocabulary or nouns. We're also going to help teach the meaning of core words. So instead of just block, I can add words directly from my core vocabulary foldout, or I may use the icons provided in the visual schedule. The visual schedule comes with 140 different icons, and I'll be talking about that next. So you can use icons directly from the visual schedule which are provided, or from the CVES system for your first then. So looking at our previous example of first block, then snack, I'm going to core adapt this. So instead of just block, I'm going to say first play blocks, then eat snack. First play blocks, then eat snack. So after playing blocks is finished, the child's then going to eat snack. I can definitely change out my words so that I'm teaching multiple core vocabulary words within the same fringe vocabulary words. So instead of play blocks, maybe we're going to play blocks and then make snack. Or maybe we're going to play blocks and then have snack. Play blocks, then have snack. So I can change out my core words so that I'm teaching receptive vocabulary and increasing the speech to icon association. So I want a child to increase their understanding of my spoken language for these words.